Liaoyang Wanda Machinery Company Limited is a supplier specializing in research and development, sales and service of drying machine, granulator, grinder, mixer, centrifuge, extractor, packing equipment. Our equipments have passed the certification of CE and other authoritative certification systems. Through the joint efforts of all our staff, we also have obtained many technological innovation patents. Our company, in the spirit of technological innovation, technology progress as the guide, ensure to provide our customers with the best quality equipments and service. Our equipments are exported to Europe, America, Australia, Canada, Southeast Asia, Korea, Japan, and other countries, with the customer's praise and appreciation. And we have established long-term business relations with our customers in many countries. Some of them have already cooperated as our agents in their countries. Wanda Machinery has professional engineers and workers with rich practical production experience in pharmaceutical, chemical, industry, food, pesticide, fertilizer, and other fields. We have professional technical service team who will help you install, debug the equipment, and staff operation training. And we have some corresponding experimental equipment for customers to do tests on site. According to the requirements of different customers, we also accept OEM orders and non-standard equipment to provide high-quality customized equipment and turnkey projects to maximize customer benefits and full satisfaction. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to visit our company for studying and cooperation.